Hey, do you need someone to bring attention on your website, product or service? My name is Alex, professional seller here on Fiverr with almost 2000 projects already completed at a 100% satisfaction rate. I can be the one that will do a natural tutorial video or a professional spokesperson video for you. I only use professional equipment for both recording and editing, so expect a high quality video and sound for the delivered work. Also, if you don't feel inspired enough to create a good script, let me know and I'll use my expertise to brainstorm a great one. Pricing for this gig is extremely simple. $5 for every 70 words and a bunch of effective extras such as website on my monitor, screen recordings, URL, logo and many more. So drop me a message today and let's make an engaging video to make your business grow.